Hi friends, welcome to Srinivas Academy. Number System Part 1. This is useful for all competitive exams. First, what is number system? The system of representing or denoting numbers is called number system. Let us know more about this topic. First, we can go through the basic concepts. Numbers. In Hindu-Arabic system, we have 10 digits, namely 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Next, numeral. A number is denoted by a group of digits called numeral. For example, if you want to write a number 62, we'll use the digits 6 and 2. Then the combination of two digits is 62. That means we can say the combination of digits is called a numeral. For denoting a numeral, we use the place value chart. Coming from the right side, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. See the first example, 6 tens and 4 ones combined 64. That means 6 tens, 60 tens and 4 ones 4, 64. Second, 853. That means 8 hundreds, 5 tens, 3 ones. Total 853. Third example, 3 lakhs, 20,000 and 9,000. That means 29,118. 3 lakhs, 29,118. Fourth one, 40 crores and 3 crores. That means 43 crores, 20 lakhs and 1 lakh, 21 lakhs, 20,000, 7,000, 27,000, 100, 8 times 80, 4 ones 4. That means 43 crores, 21 lakhs, 27,184. Now we'll write these numbers in words, okay? 64. Second one, 853. 853. Third example, 3 lakhs 29,118. The fourth one, 43 crores 21 lakhs 27,184. Right? If suppose we are given the 4 numerals in words, see first example, first one is 4,328. Now we should write this in numbers. See the first example, 4,328. 4,328. Second one, 28,146. 28,146. Okay. Third example, 93 lakh 25,340. I am writing here 93 lakh 25,340. Okay. Fourth example, 32 crore 63 lakhs 25,842. See 32 crore 63 lakhs 25,842. See we wrote the words in numerals, right? Using the place value chart, the above numerals can be figured as, see, 4,328, 28,146, 93 lakhs 25,340, 32 crore 63 lakhs 25,842. Okay, now let us see face values and the place values of a digit in a numeral. We have another name for the place value, is a local value. First, we can go through about face value. Face value means the face value of a digit in a numeral is its own value at whatever place it may be. That means the face value is the number itself in whatever place it may be. For example, in the numeral 5,462, the face value of 5 is 5. The face value of 4 is 4. The face value of 6 is 6. The face value of 2 is 2. In whatever place it may be, the face value doesn't change and the face value is the number itself. Okay, and seeing the another example, 642, face value of 6 is also is 6. Face value of 4 is 4, doesn't change in whatever place it may be. Face value of 2 is 2. Okay, going to place value. Place value of one's digit is equals to one's digit into 1. That means the digit in the ones place, the digit in ones place into 1. Then we will get the place value of ones digit. Place value of tens digit, that means here place value of tens digit is equal to tens digit into 10. That means the digit in the tens place into 10. Then we will get the place value of the tens digit. Place value of hundreds digit, that means the digit in the hundreds place into 100. Then we will get the place value of the hundreds digit, and so on. If we want to know the place value of thousands digit, then what we will do? The digit in the hundreds place into 1000. Then we will get the place value of thousands digit. Now I will explain you with an example. See the example. Now look at the same example which we have taken in the face value. The example is 5462. Going from the right side, the place value of 2, that means 2 is in which place? Ones place, right? So the place value of 2 equals to the digit in the ones place into 1, right? Then the answer is, then the answer is 2. Okay. Next, place value of 6. 6 is in which place? Tens place, right? So what is the procedure? Tens digit into 10, that means the digit in the tens place. What is that digit? 6 into 10 equals to 60. The place value of 6 is 60. Now seeing the place value of 4. 4 is in which place? Hundreds place, right? So the digit in the hundreds place is 4 into in which place? It is in hundreds place. So 4 into 100 is equals to 400. Okay. The place value of 5. 5 is in which place? Thousands place. So we should multiply the digit in the hundreds place into 1000. The digit is 5 and we should multiply with 1000. So 5 into 1000 is equals to 5000. So the place value of 5 is 5000. Place value of 4 is 400. Place value of 6 is 60 and place value of 2 is 2. Note, place value of 0 in given numeral is 0 at whatever place it may be. See, the place value of 0 is 0 at whatever place it may be, in which place it may be, but the place value of 0 is always 0. It doesn't change. See, I will explain you with an example. So I will show you 3 examples. 450, 603, 4053. Okay. See this example. Going from right, the place value of one's digit. That means what we should do? The digit in the ones place into 1 equals to 0. See, the place value of 0 is 0. Okay, remind it. Here also going from right, the place value of 3. That is, it is in ones place. Okay. The digit in the ones place into 1 equals to 3, and next digit in the tens place into 10 equals to, digit in the tens place is 0. 0 into 10 is equal to 0. The place value of 0 is 0. Okay. And next, see, from right side, ones, tens, hundreds. 3 into 1 equal to 3. 5 into 10 equal to 50. And 0 is in hundreds place, right? So 0 into 100 is equal to 0. See, in every case, the place value of 0 is 0 in whatever place it may be. So we don't need to do all this procedure, and simply we can remember the place value of 0 is 0 at whatever place it may be. And the face value also doesn't change. Face value also 0 itself. Okay. Please like, share and subscribe. Click on the bell button for more updates. Thank you.